create a Node-RED flow that can control the Tello camera. Make sure you name the flow first, and then let's start dragging in the nodes we need. 2 inject nodes, 2 button nodes, a change node, 2 function nodes, a UDP out node, and a comment node. Let's configure the comment node first. Name it part 1 photo commands. We're breaking this flow into 3 parts so it's easier to follow. In the first part, we're going to set up sending commands to the drone that you need to take photos, and then we'll have part 2, which is receiving the photos back from the drone, and part 3, which will be processing those photos. Next, let's adjust these timestamp nodes. Choose Boolean true for both, and name the top one low level connect. This is the mode you'll need to be in order to receive and ask for photos from the drone. This second one will be to send the take picture command. The buttons have the same function. So the top one will be low level connect. You also need to create a group and tab for your drone image from the Tello camera. I've already done that. You can do it by clicking Add New UI Group. You can edit it, and then you can also make a new tab if you so desire. Button will be on the same tab and group and be named Take Picture. The change node will be part of this take picture process. So it'll be making picture command. Go ahead and leave it to set message payload, but instead of to a string, it will need to be a JSON. And then paste this text, which was available in the directions or below. Next up, we have the function nodes. The first one here will be for sending connection request, asking the drone, hey, let's connect to this Pi or other device and send data back and forth. You'll need to paste this into the function area and leave outputs as 1. Next, you have the second function node, which will be sending the take picture request. And this text will need to be in the function area. Be sure to delete any existing text before you move on to paste the new. Leave the output as 1 and click Done. And then lastly up here we have our UDP node. So this is actually grabbing everything at the end of these functions and sending it to the Tello Drone via a Wi-Fi connection. So we want a UDP message to port 8889. And its destination IP will be 192.168.10.1. We'll use IPv4 protocol and bind to a specific local port 52955. Click done. And then we just need to connect the nodes and deploy. Notice that the take picture and connect, inject, and button nodes have the same destination. They are simply two options to starting the process of getting a command to the drone. Now we've configured part 1, getting commands to the Tello Drone for it to take photos. And then part 2 coming up will be receiving data, those pictures from the drone. And then the third part will be creating a piece of flow that will interpret the pictures and be able to send them to a Node-RED dashboard or save them. Over here, I'm going to click deploy and then check out our new dashboard. So right now we have take picture and low level connect. And once we're all finished, we'll also have a picture from the Tello here.